Hi, Anki. Anki's itching his back with. Hey, I was gonna make that for something. You're itching your back with the toilet paper. I don't want it now. Yeah. That's gross. You're nasty, Anki. You're nasty. You're nasty. Come back here. You're nasty. Tell me nasty. You're nasty. He's nasty. Buster, 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 buddy, Buster, 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 buddy. Come on, Buster. Look at my toes. Look at them. They're dirty. They're dirty. Yeah, but first it has to finish uploading.
No, it already did.
No, as soon as it shows the picture, then it's done.
Oh, it's not 0% uploading.
I know. It takes like 10 minutes. A bust, a bust, a bust, a bust, a bust, a bust. Where's Lolis? Lolis. Hello. Hi, Lolis. Cinnamon. Hi. Hi, Cinnamon. Hi, Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. Hi, Buster. Hi, Lolis. Where's Olaf? We've got you. I can't believe that huge blizzard just like went off. That was crazy. Look at all the water. I'm gonna go. Oh my gosh! It's so wet! Ew, the grass is all wet. That's a huge puddle. I'm gonna put my feet in it. Oh, let's check the centimeter. It rained. Oh no, this thing got knocked over. It's supposed to be like all the way to up here, but it got knocked over, so it went down there. It got knocked over because of blizzard. It knocked over all the chairs. It took the chairs down the street. Seriously. This one went down the street. Well, no, this one got caught on the gate, and then this one went down the street. And then this fell. I'm surprised the shoes didn't go flying. And the table fell. This fell. The van was right there, and it went right there. Everything over there is all my sister is recording. What are you doing? I'm recording you recording. Ugh. You know there's poop floating around in there. Oh look, now we got a little tree house. I'm going in there. Wow, that's gross.
You said
You're crazy, I'm not going in there.
This might happen, and everything fell, so that's not like.
That's not funny that everything fell. I want to see how it looks in storage. Ew. Everything smells wet. Look at my car! My awesome sweet ride. Dun, dun, dun. This is mine. Ew! All this stuff is all soaked. Ugh! It's heavy. The pillow!
Maya, the water's drying. You might even go around the house. I'll be over here. Sissy, can you put it on YouTube? I don't know how to put on YouTube.
You have to make it. You have to create a channel first. Here, let me do that for you.
I'm swimming. I think I'm swimming. Okay, you have to know if we can.
Wait. Hey, Granny. What?
I'm wetting your jet thing.
Alicia. Wait. Okay, look. For you to put a video on YouTube, you have to go here to this little thing up
You know, I
here
just put this on YouTube.
and press YouTube. Okay?
You know, I just put this on YouTube. I like you, I did put that on YouTube.
There goes your Poe. He's annoying.
Here, East Africa now have a boy. Destroy this.
Upload. Just to make. I can't do it, Alicia. Oh, hello, Uncle. Say hi to the camera. And you want sweets? No! Ow, my face! You made me hit my nose.
Maria, put to my handle.
Do that smile again.
Do it again.
Wait, say it like that. Okay, there, got it. Look at mommy plucking her nose. What?
Are you gonna stay up here?
I'm staying out here. You're crazy. I'm not going back inside.
Why?
Inside!
You're not
Because I
going
want to stay in here.
out here?
The water's gone again. I think. Do you see it in there? Do you see it? It's gone. Wait. No, there's no water. Oh, it all went to the side. Is that it? Yeah, that's the water. You just put it like this. Ew, it's at 2 centimeters. Yeah, centimeters. That's inches. 2 centimeters. Huh. Well, that's a lot, but oh well. Alright, guys. I guess I'll see you guys later. My phone's dying. Adios. Chappy up. And don't forget to subscribe. And like this video if you really liked it. Later. Adios.